What a peaceful night it is. Wait, what was that? Huh? What the heck is that? Looks like a tiny little spaceship. I wonder what's inside. Huh? Oh, hey, cute little fella. Your voice sounds funny, doesn't it? Where did the spaceship go? There's something weird going on with me. What did I do wrong? Oh no, oh!